Hi friends, today we are going to learn a new topic of chemistry class 9, concentration. We are going to find out the methods to use while finding the concentrations. So first, to clear this term up, we need to know the first term, that is concentration. Actually, what is concentration? Means we say that it's concentration, but what does the term concentration means? So the concentration terms means the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution. As for example, here I am making say this is a tumbler or a vessel which has 70% of water, we can say, in it, and I have added, to make a sugar water solution, I am adding 30 gram of sugar to it, to 70 gram of water. I am not saying ml, it is the gram of water. So if the question comes, what is the concentration? So what I will write would be 30 upon 7, it would be 70 plus 30. 70 was the water which we had in the tumbler, and 30 is the sugar that we are adding into 100. Now 70 plus 30 is 100. So 30 upon 100 into 100, 100 get cancelled out. So the concentration we have is 30%. So now we have got what is concentration. Concentration is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solution. What is solution now? Let us say what is solution. What is solution? The solution is solute. The solution is solute plus solvent. In the previous case, solute was the sugar and solvent was the water. So now solution would be water plus sugar. Next up we have the methods. What are the methods? There are 3 methods. We will study one by one each. First is weight by weight percentage. In the example, I have taken 70 gram of water, not ml. So what is this gram which is even coming with a liquid? So in weight by weight percentage, we take the solute and the solution both in grams. So the formula is solute upon solution into 100, बोथ किस में होगा? ये ग्राम्स में होगा. इसका हमने एक एग्जाम्पल अभी किया, हम इसके कुछ कॉम्प्लेक्स एग्जाम्पल्स भी करेंगे. ठीक है, जैसे कि हमने अभी एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं कि सपोज अ सॉल्यूशन कंटेन्स 30 ग्राम ऑफ शुगर डिसॉल्व इन 370 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर. Calculate its weight by weight percentage. So we have got the question here. So we have 30 gram of sugar in 370 gram of water. Always remember, if the question states water or the solution, if the question states water, that means we have to add the solute to it. But if it says solution, that means the solute has been already added. So in this case, what we'll do 370, just a minute, we'll do 370 plus 30, which gives us 400. But if the questions would have stated that it is dissolved in 370 gram of solution, then we would not add 30 to it. We have to look upon the words. So now according to the formula, 30 upon 400 into 100. We are going to cancel this out. We will cut by 2, 15. It is 7.5. So the concentration level here is 7.5%. This was a very easy question. It was a direct question to you all. Now let us take a question which is a little bit twisty. What amount of water should be added to 150 gram of 20% weight by weight of aqueous solution to make its concentration 5% weight by weight? So first we have to understand the solution. We have to understand the question to give the solution. It is saying that how much amount of water, kitna water to be added to 150 gram of 20% weight by weight aqueous solution of sugar. So it has already given us sugar. It is saying how much water should I add to the solution who is having 20% weight by weight concentration is reduced to 5% weight by weight. What can we do here? First of all, we are getting 20% as weight by weight, and solution is in what? Solution is 150 gram. So let the solute be X. So X upon 150, X upon 150 into 100, and what the answer is 20. So हमने एक solution जो था 150 उसमें x ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूट ऐड किया होगा, जिसकी वजह से उसका कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लेवल 20% हो गया था. सो नाउ विल कट द जीरोस. दिस इज 3, दिस इज 2. नाउ वी गोना मल्टीप्लाई 3 टू द अदर साइड. सो 2x इज इक्वल टू 60. सो x इज इक्वल टू 30. So to 150 gram of solution there must be 30 gram of solute. Now it is telling how much water should we add to this solution. So now redo this. We are getting how much answer we were getting 30 gram of solute. So वो कह रहा है solute तो उतना ही रहेगा, पर हम कितना पानी बढ़ा दे ताकि इसका जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन लेवल है वो 5% हो जाए. इसका मतलब 150 था हमारे पास पहले से, इसमें हम y ले लेते. चलिए y ग्राम वाटर डालेंगे, इसको जब इनटू करेंगे तो इसका आंसर कितना आना चाहिए? 5 आना चाहिए. So let us do. So we will do. We have multiplied with 30 to 100. It is 3000 into 150 into 5. 750 or y into 5 is equal to 5y. Now 750 is in positive terms, it will go in negative terms. So it would become what? It would become 2250 is equal to 5y. Now y would be 2250 by 5. When we will cut this by 5, we will get 450 as the answer. So according to the question, we have to add 450 gram excess water to 150 gram of solution to make the concentration 5 ml. Now again we got a question. If 200 gram of solution is removed from 500 gram of 20% weight by weight aqueous solution and 20 gram more sugar is added to the remaining solution, then find the concentration of the new solution. So let us see. First, to answer these types of complex questions, you should go word by word. First to say 500 gram 20% weight by weight. So let the solute be X. Now 500 is the solution into 100 Answer is, the percentage is given 20. Cut the zeros. So x is equal to 100. Means the amount of solute in 500 gram of solution is 100 gram. Now it is saying 200 gram of what? 200 gram of solution is removed. So if this was the tumbler, here was the solution having 100 gram. So now it is reduced to this, because this much solution has been taken out. So when it is saying solution, that means solution has water as solute. So some amount of solute would also have been taken out, and some amount of water would also have been taken out. First of all, see, in 500 gram of solution, we had 100 gram of solute. So in 200 gram, because we have taken up 200 gram of solution. So in 200 gram of solution, how much solute would be taken out? So it would be 100 upon 500. Let's reduce this first. 1 by 5 into 200. So it would be 40. So when the person would take out 200 gram of solution, he would take out 40 gram of solute as well. So now 500 minus 20 is 300. So 300 gram of solution is left, and 40 gram of solute has also been taken out. So 100 minus 40 is 60 into 100. Let us find what is the concentration here. It is still 20. Now it is saying 20 gram of sugar is more added. So means 60 gram अब हमारे पास बच गया था, हमने 20 ग्राम और डाल दिया, तो 60 प्लस 20. अब सॉल्यूशन में भी अगर हमने डाला है तो सॉल्यूशन का भी वेट बढ़ेगा. सो इट वुड बी 320 इंटू 100. कट गया. नाउ 60 प्लस 20, it would be 80 upon 32 into 10. So 8 10 ja, 8 4 ja. It is 100 by 4, which is equal to 25. So now the current solution which we are left with has the concentration of 25%. Let us re-revise this question. This was a bit tricky question. First we had 500 gram of solution which was having a concentration of 20%. Now when we were doing the method, we got to know that 500 gram of solution had 100 gram of solute. Now 200 gram of solution was taken out. So when solution means solvent plus solute, so some amount of solute would also have been taken out. So if 500 gram of solution has 100 gram of solute, then 200 gram of solution will have how much gram of solute? So with 200 gram of solution, 40 gram of solute was also taken out. So 100 minus 40 is 60. So now we are left with 60 gram of solute and total 300 gram of solution. Now 20 gram of sugar is more added. So 60 plus 20 is 80, and it would also be mixed in solution. So 300 plus 20, it is 320. Now when we will divide it further with when we will multiply it further with 100, we will get the new concentration as 25%. So in this video we have covered mass by mass method. In next other videos we will cover volume by volume method and mass by volume method. I hope you have liked this video and understood this topic very well. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.